Thanks for staying with us. Well, Halloween is just around the corner, and if you need to do some last-minute decorating, we have just the stylist for you. This is lifestyle expert Trista Pro. Thank you so much for joining us.
Sure, I'm happy to be here.
Absolutely. This looks amazing.
Okay, so the countdown to Halloween has started, right?
Yes.
So just do yourself a favor and stay off Pinterest.
Okay.
Just keep it simple, bang out a couple of these really easy things to do, and you'll be all set.
Wonderful.
So Halloween falls on a Monday,
Okay.
right? So the kids are in school, and that's kind of a bummer. But here's
Definitely.
a couple quick ways that you can bring the happy Halloween into school or the office.
Okay.
Super simple, okay? Healthy treats, we've got oranges, and all you need to do is take your Sharpie marker, draw a little
love
face on
that.
it, make a bowl of them, stick them in your office break
So
room.
simple.
Put it in the kids' lunch, super easy. Here's another one. They're gonna want candy, right? It's Halloween.
Naturally.
That's all they're thinking about. So just do a little sweet treat. Take a miniature Reese's cup, some pretzel sticks, put them together, and you've got a little broom candy.
That is
Just
so
a little bit of
cute. I
sweet,
love
a little bit
that.
of healthy for them. There you go.
Super easy.
All right, so we have two quick crafts for you.
Okay.
And this first one, I bet you have everything at home for.
Okay, what is it? Let's
We're
see.
going to make spider webs
Oh, okay.
from your trash bag and some scissors.
Oh, absolutely. I have both of those things.
Right, so just fold it up like
Okay.
you would a snowflake. You know how you
Oh,
make paper snowflakes?
yes, of
Okay, well,
course.
it's just giant size. So fold it up, cut out your strips, and there you go. So
That's wonderful.
of course,
so
the
easy.
closer you make them, you know, the more
Webby. Webby, if
the
you
more
will.
webby it'll be. All right, so
great.
that's craft number one. Craft number two, you might have to go to the store for this,
Okay.
but luckily the stores all have their Christmas ornaments out already.
Oh,
Crazy,
wow.
but yes.
Already, that's so soon.
So this is just a clear ornament. We've got black felt and black paper eyes underneath. And this is just simple cheesecloth, which you might have at home because it's got so many home
Yeah,
uses.
yeah.
Or not. You
like
can
gauze,
get
yeah.
Yeah. You could use just a plain cotton fabric.
Right.
Crack a couple of glow sticks, stick
Right.
it inside, and hang it from your tree.
That's
and
perfect.
You can have a whole little gang of ghosts.
Little creepy ghosts in the trees.
Yeah,
Those
there
are
you
wonderful.
go. All right, so we're still trying to get the word out about the Teal Pumpkin Project. So this is for kids who have a food allergy. Because
Right.
what a bummer to go trick-or-treating and not be able to eat
Absolutely.
any of that candy,
I
right?
know. That's half the fun.
It's half the fun. So here's just a fun kind of take on the teal pumpkin that you can do. We made a little monster out of it.
That's so cute.
This is just simply a styrofoam pumpkin from the craft store.
Yeah.
These eyes glow in the dark. They're from the dollar store, if you can
Oh,
believe
that's
that.
wonderful.
They're just like this.
That's such a nice option.
Yes. So spray paint it teal,
Okay.
and almost dropped that. Make a little paper teeth, and then you can get any of these, like Bath and Body Works has little Halloween hand sanitizers. Go to the dollar store. You've got
Such
the
a nice
bracelets,
option.
Pencils,
Those are
erasers. Put them in here for the kids who can't eat the candy.
Wonderful.
All right. So one more kind of tradition that we
Yeah.
like to do in our neighborhood is we would like to boo the neighbors.
Okay. Yeah.
So we've got a couple of cute containers here from Personal Creations.
Okay.
And I start early, like September-ish, and
Yeah.
I start just gathering little doodads to
Right,
kind of
right.
put together our boo basket. Leave it on your neighbor's doorstep.
What a
leave them a
nice
sign.
tradition. Okay.
There's a downloadable, like, explain to them what
So
happened.
easy.
You don't tell them who it was, and then
Wonderful.
their job is to pay it forward. So we've got a creepy little bottle of wine.
That's so cute.
with,
I love that.
All wine themed. So leave that.
Perfect.
I've got the download on mommyupgrade.com. So you can go boo your neighbor and keep the Halloween fun going forward.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, well, thank you so much for coming. Such nice, really nice options here.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thanks.
so much. All right, we'll be right back after this. Stay with us.